what you ain't done. That's easy uphill. Lana, oh yeah, make you scream, no, I know. Wanna come for me? How about this? I come for you. Bitches just top to top. This is verification info. Reach a youth up in your house. See my shadow bottle when they already know what this about. Raise the maximum, engage and handle no. 5 different ways with different shades. Niggas wanna play, not know you gonna be maced. Don't know what I speak. What the fuck you in my face? All I just wanna blunt while drinking cow piss, chocolate syrup, and bust like 5 nuts on a caramel bone. Come and fought the drama, change your tone. Them little shits, let little shits get to them. That's a little nigga. 15 drops, of turners and them squeeze droplets. That's the lowest and it's still doing justice. Why I sell it high? I'm getting more love, but I ain't worse like them Hindus. I pick the rock up, I pick the rock up. I lift them all up, I lift them all up. I can get them all touched. Little inferiors, that ain't much. Just like $1 without George. Niggas ain't spitting dope, lazy and mentally broke. I like mini zippers and coats. Doing this while doing something else. Please don't bother me. Trying your hard to blend while you're trying to keep on following me. False intruders, lost and can't ambush. Wanna come for me, wanna come for me. Ain't having what you ain't done. Wanna come for me, wanna come for me. Wanna come for me, wanna